Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, July 28th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we're starting off on the 4-hour time frame. So the US dollar Canadian is going up pretty strong, and based on the US dollar index, I think it's probably not over. Maybe we are going to get a bounce here because I have my Fibonacci retracement on the move down because these Fibonacci levels, especially something like the 78 and the 61, are normally big areas of support or resistance in this area. So hopefully what happens is we do bounce here. But I'm not going to be looking to go short. I'm looking to go long at the end of the pullbacks. So I will be waiting patiently for more long entries at the end of pullbacks. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, the reason why I will not go short is because it's very unpredictable whether it's going to be a good short. It could literally just go down a little bit and shoot right back up because the trend is technically up. So what I'm hoping for, like I said, is I'm hoping for a Fibonacci bounce, hoping for a move down, and then as soon as it starts to move down, I would throw my Fibonacci retracement out there and observe to see if it makes a three-way pullback and a Fibonacci bounce. If it does, that definitely would be my next long opportunity. If it breaks structure right here, then I would probably just throw my Fibonacci retracement on the whole move up because likely it would just be a pullback to the whole move up. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.